well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the Lush kitchen box for May. Now, it's April 30th right now, which means that I can't believe we already have this box. I feel like it's getting kind of earlier and earlier. Is that just me? Anyway, I have absolutely no idea what is in this box this month. I am so excited to dive in. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Ooh, what is that? Ooh, okay. Get ready and bathe. What's that? I have no idea. That is so cute. I have no idea what it is, but that is adorable. Okay, I'm not going to look at the kind of sheet until I have to, but the first thing I see, oh, I love it when we receive stuff like this. Okay, so the first thing we have is the cutest little makeup bag. That is so cute. I absolutely love when Lush includes stuff like this because I feel like it really makes it a bit more worthwhile because it's just something really special that you can keep. I tend to use these for things like makeup or if I'm going anywhere to put my toiletries in and that kind of thing. I just find them really useful. I have a bunch of them now, so yeah, I really like that, and I love the purple and I love all the colours on there. So that is the first thing in the box. I am interested now to see how many physical items we have in the box, whether this is kind of classed as like one of the items or whether there's still the same amount. Does that make sense? Anyway, this is the first item. Can't get my words out, I'm so excited. This is the first item. Love it. Moving on. So the next item we have in the box, again, I tend to go for all the pots and bottles first just because I don't have to look at the sheet. We have got, ooh, okay. I don't know how I feel about this. This is the Don't Rain on My Parade shower gel, which this came out back when I used to work for Lush. It was this and Wash That Man Right Out of My Hair, which I didn't really like either, I'm not gonna lie. My friend Flo loved this so much. She bought a really large bottle of it before it got discontinued. Ingredients wise in this one we have got vanilla pod infusion, violet leaf infusion, blueberry juice, cassie absolute, sandalwood oil, violet leaf absolute, vanilla absolute, ylang ylang oil. From what I remember, it just smells like Parma violets and I don't think I loved it, but I don't know. Let me smell it again. I love the colour because it's like a really beautiful like dark teal. I don't know if you guys can see. It definitely smells nicer now I'm smelling it now from like when I smelled it a few years ago because I used to hate the smell, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it definitely doesn't smell that bad anymore. It's a beautiful colour though. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it or not, but it's like the most beautiful teal green. It basically smells like if Parma violets, which if you're not from the UK, Parma violets are a purple sweet that smells like violet, basically. It's like a sweet violet smell. This smells like Parma violets mixed with garden, which you know how I feel about garden smells. They're not for me, I can just pass on those. However, the sweetness of the violet does make this smell quite nice. I probably wouldn't ever purchase this if I was going to go into a shop and kind of do a little haul of my own. However, I will definitely use it and I'm not going to let it go to waste. So that is the second item slash first actual bath shower product. So I'm not mad about it. Love it. I would have liked a bigger size, but I can't complain. Next up, ooh, okay, instantly I feel like this box is winning me over a little bit because we have a solid perfume. I love when Lush includes solid perfumes or liquid perfumes because I feel like it makes the box a lot more special. I don't know about you, but like that's how I feel about it. It makes it a bit more worthwhile. This is Super World Unknown. I have no idea what that is. Do I have the ingredients on here? Yes, I do. So in this perfume, we have got jojoba oil, castor oil, lemon oil, neroli, cassia oil, cocoa absolute, and rose absolute. So is it going to be a rosy uplifting kind of smell? Let's give it a go. Oh, wow. Okay, this smells, I don't want to say it smells familiar because it doesn't necessarily smell familiar. Also, I love how full that is. That is great. It's typical that I went to Lush today, hence my bag, and picked up a solid perfume. So now I have another one, but this is really good. It's like, the nicest way I can describe it without sounding, like making it sound gross, is it smells like a nan smell. Like floral, really light, really sweet. It's really lovely actually, I really like it. Should I say really one more time? I'm really pleased with that. So far this box has been really good, and also I think I can see 3 more things in this box from like looking down, so we are off to a really good start. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, this one instantly gives me a questionable feeling because of the colour, but we're going to pick it up anyway because I'm not sure what it's going to smell like. Ooh, are my fingers going to get stained green? Probably. Okay, this is the next item. So this is, I'm not going to like this. I can tell by the name of it that I'm not going to like it. This is the Grass Bubble Bar. So I wonder what this is going to smell like. Do you know what I mean? Ingredients wise in this one, we have neroli oil, sandalwood oil, bergamot oil. Is that it? It looks like that's it, but it smells like grass, would you believe? It smells like freshly cut grass, which people like my mum and Ryan and people like that, like, they love that sort of smell. I'm not here for it. I don't like garden smells. Anything that smells like dirt or grass or the earth is just like not my vibe. So I'm not overly struck on this. However, I will still use it. I'll probably mix it with like a dragon's egg or something to like hide the smell, but it does smell, I was gonna say it does smell good. It doesn't smell great. It's not my favorite. But it's very fresh. If you like a fresh, gardeny, like freshly cut grass smell, you will love this. Me, not so much. So I'm gonna put that one down. Yeah, I'm just not here for it. So we're just gonna pop that one down and move on to the next one. Next up, ooh, oh, okay. I'm confused. Oh. What is that? That smells delish. Okay, I need to show you guys what this is. So this is the next item and it is melting in my fingers, so I'm gonna be as quick as I possibly can. At first I thought this was a soap, however it's melting in my hands, it's gritty, so let's have a look and see. Okay, this is the Ticket to Scrub body scrub, and ingredients wise in this one we have got fine sea salt, shea butter, muru butter, virgin plum oil, petitgrain oil. It's plum rain scented. Why didn't I get that at first smell? You guys know how I feel about plum rain. It's really like melty and really almost, I've got like a bit of it on my hands. It's really sugary almost, like a really fine scrub. That's plum rain scented. I am in love with you. Please make this a all year round product. I need to put this down because it's literally slipping in my fingers, but I can't get over that. That smells insane. If you've never smelled plum rain before or you haven't heard me talk about it 1,000,001 times, essentially what it smells like, how can I describe plum rain? It's like fruity, it's tangy, like a fruity tangy smell, not like a gross smell. It's like got a sharp smell to it. Super fresh, super clean, almost sweet but not. Like, it's just so good. I absolutely love plum rain. You guys know this. I have a few fragrances from Lush that I absolutely love. Plum rain is one of those, definitely in my top 5. So yeah, that, my mouth is salivating. I want to eat that really badly. I won't, but I definitely would. Right, let's move on to the last item. I think is the last item in the box, which I feel like has gone really quick and I'm really upset. So the last item, oh, okay, this is interesting. Okay, let's pull this one out. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. Wow. This is the Supernova Bath Bomb, and ingredients wise in this one, we have a sweet wild orange oil, wine lees oil, lime oil. Let's give it a smell. Is that Golden Wonder scented? Is that Celebrate scented? This box is making me emotional. It's Golden Wonder scented. Wow, that smells insane. It basically smells like a fizzy orange, like a really mouth-watering fizzy orange smell. This is beautiful. This looks like the kind of, it looks like dragon's egg on steroids. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's pink, it's definitely got confetti in there. It's absolutely packed full of confetti. Like, you can kind of see it on the outside. That smells incredible. Wow. This box, I just can't. So that is everything for the Lush kitchen box for May. I am absolutely over the moon with this box. Dare I say it's my favourite box of the year so far. I think it definitely could be. We've got some swag, we've got shower gel, bath bomb, body scrub, solid perfume and a bubble bar. Like, I feel like the range in this box is unmatched and I am just absolutely in love with it. I think this box is definitely worth the money that I spent on it this month. So a 10 out of 10 for me. Lush, you have done it again. What a great box. I love it, I love it. Let me know down below if you have subscribed to this month's box and what you thought of all the products. I would love to know. And yeah, that is everything. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, as I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers this year. So yes, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.